Hey guys, it's the KMZ1 here with another tech video. This one's a little bit different than what I've normally been doing. I've been doing a lot of network and smart home videos, but today we're going to be looking at what possibly could be the best backup sensor. Now, I'm not talking about a backup camera, but I'm just talking about the best backup sensors. What we're going to be looking at today is by a company called FenSens. They were gracious enough to send me one in the mail to test out and review. And I'm also going to be giving this away to one of you guys. So watch till the end of the video and I'm going to be showing you how you can be entered into this giveaway for this wireless backup sensor. But this is totally wireless. It runs on batteries. You don't have to run any wires. So this could be the best sensor. So stick around and hopefully one of you guys gets this for free. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and then we're going to put this thing to the test. I don't want this video to take too long, so I'm not going to do a really detailed unboxing, but I haven't even opened this up since it came in the mail. It's really well packaged. It's in a vacuum sealed heat shrink wrap, so let's open this up now. Alright, right away we've got some instructions here that are pretty easy. You need to download their app. Go ahead and put this on your car and hit the quick launch button to launch the app. That's the quick launch button. Feels really sturdy. Comes with the mounting hardware. Here's the actual license plate frame. You've got the sensors here. So this is really nice. It's made out of a durable plastic. It's not metal like I thought it was, but it's very thick. You can see how thick this plastic is. So I think this is really sturdy construction. Okay, so I read the manual, I figured out what this is for. This is actually the phone mount. It's a magnetic phone mount. You know, you put this on your car, like the air vent, and then you can choose one of these, peel this off, stick it on your phone, and so then this turns your phone into the phone mount. When you get into the car, you just go ahead and plop that on there. That way you can have hands-free when you're using this sensor. This is the batteries for the license plate camera. Like I said, there's no wiring, so for the power, it uses 2 AA batteries. And it even comes with the wrenches in order to mount this, so that's really cool. And that's it. That's all we have in the box. This is really good packaging. I mean, everything was super secure. This is really good packaging. So now we need to get this thing installed, and we need to put this thing to the test. Alright, this is the first test that I'm doing. I'm backing straight into a car. So that first beep is the car sensor. And then now you can actually hear that the car had a delayed response. So the license plate frame actually did a better job on this one. And you can see the bars actually followed it pretty much perfectly. So in this one, I'm actually backing sideways, and you can see that it's actually reflected on the left-hand side there. And on that test, the car's sensors didn't actually alert me very well. So this is a test that I'm doing at night. I'm backing up my driveway, which is a pretty steep slant. You'll hear that first the car goes off, and then the license plate frame. Now at this point, there's still no car sensors going off, and I think it's because of the incline. It's not able to catch the bumper So you can see on the phone I still have 3 bars left on my phone. So I'm gonna go through here and I'm gonna see how far I actually am. And I've still got about 4 feet, 3 to 4 feet. So I'd say that the distance rings are pretty accurate on the app. And here's my last night test. I'm backing into a stall with cars on both sides of me, and there's bushes behind me that are going to get detected. You can see that the bushes are actually uneven, and so on the screen on my phone there you can see that it's kind of detecting one side more than the other. So again, very good sensors on this license plate frame. Overall, I'm very pleased with this license plate frame. I would definitely recommend this. So if you guys are wanting to enter the drawing for this, then the giveaway, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to give 30 days for people to enter. All you got to do is comment on this video, and then in 30 days I'm going to select one, and I'm going to check your channel to make sure that you subscribe to me. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and hope one of you guys gets this license plate frame. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.